welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe, you like and comment. If you have a question, you write it down there. I have a question here for solve the equation 6 sine square theta plus 5 theta is equals to minus 1. You are going to solve it in between 0 degrees and 360. So I'm going to solve this. So solution. Well, first I'm going to bring this negative 1 on the left side. We have 6 sine square theta plus 5 sine theta plus 1 is equals to 0. From here now I would say let sine theta be x. So I'm going to replace sine theta with x. So my equation will be 6 x square plus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Solving it using the quadratic formula, x will be negative a third, or x will be negative a half or negative a third. So after this we are going to replace to solve the theta, to find the angle. So remember how you said that sine theta is equals to x. So we can say here, so when x is equals to negative half, will be sine theta is equals to negative half. To get this the angle, to get the theta, you will get the inverse sine theta, sine inverse of negative half. From calculator you get negative 30 degrees. This negative 30, using the circle, we say all students take chemistry. So we are going to identify which that negative 30 degrees lies on your 4 quadrant. The first quadrant, no, because all of them, all trigonometry are positive. Here is only the sign is positive. The third quadrant is only the tan is positive, and the fourth is cosine is only which is positive. So here our angle will rely on a third quadrant. So now to get the angle, we will have to take 180 degree plus 30 degrees. We are going to use it now as a positive since we have identified which quadrant it lies. So we get 120 degree. Also, this negative 30 can lie on the fourth quadrant. So at fourth quadrant, it will be now 360 minus 30 degree, which will be 330 degrees. After finishing this, we say again now when, remember we got x as negative half or negative a third. So here we are going to use x as negative a third. So we say sine theta is equals to negative a third. So to get the angle, you get the inverse of the third. So in calculator, we get minus 19 degrees, 19.47, rounding off to the 2 decimal places, degrees. And you can change this into minutes, but before that, this can be 19 degree 47 minutes. You continue to identify which quadrant does this 19.47 lie. All students take chemistry. So I'm going to this negative will help me to identify which quadrant. Since it's a sign, this our angle will be on the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, so it will be on at the third quadrant. I will have 180 degrees minus, or it will be plus here, sorry, it will be plus 19.47 19.47 degree here. When you change to minutes, this will change to 28. Sorry, 28. So adding this, you get 199 degree point 47, and if you put them in minutes, it will be 99 degree 28 minutes. So now, considering the fourth quadrant, we get that 360 degrees, we will minus our 19.47 degree, which we will get 340.53 degrees, of which will be, if you put them into degrees at the minute, will be 340 that 1 minute. Hence you have solved your question. Thank you.